Okay, so now we're going to work on the Learn feature. Click on Learn and you'll see that there are 13 terms remaining, and there are 0 incorrect and 0 correct, because I haven't started yet. You can customize the study session by clicking on Options, and it just depends on what you want. You customize that as you see fit. I'll have the first question, or the first definition, and I'll need to type in the correct answer. So this is a contrast or discrepancy between what is expected and what happens. And we know this is irony, and we'll answer this question. We got it right. So it's going to tell me that I'm correct. It'll still allow me to go over the term and the definition with audio, and I'll press any key to continue. Now we have any person, animal, place, object, thing, or event that exists on a literal level within a work, but also represents something on a figurative level, something that stands for something else. All right, so we will type in the term, and if you'll notice, I typed in symbol, and that wasn't what it was looking for. The term it actually was looking for is symbolism. Now, I'll know that the student understood the term and he knows the concept, but it's really going to depend on your test. It depends on how specific you need to be. If symbol is acceptable, then you can click Override I was right. If not, and you only accept symbolism, then you would click any key to continue. We're going to tell this student that he was right, and close enough, we're going to move on. So let's say we don't know this one. I can click on Don't Know, and it's going to allow me to copy the answer. It's going to tell me this is the term, this is the correct, or excuse me, this is the definition, this is the correct term, and it's excellent for practice because the student has to type in the term. So it's just some more repetition that will allow the student to move on to the next. So expresses the author's attitude towards his or her subject. Now, students are probably in their head going to have a conflict on here. Is it mood? Is it tone? So if they don't know, they can type it in and try it. I'm going to go ahead and just type it in and hope that I got it right. Tone, it was correct. All right, and so we'll press any key to continue, and then through the end of it, it'll tell you how you score. So let's go ahead and get through this, and after I finish Learn, it'll tell me that I got 77% correct, 3 incorrect, and overall I made a 77. What I can do now is go back and review the 3 that I missed. So Learn is a great feature, making sure students understand the term and the definition.